The excavator, a symbol of industrial might, is not merely a simple machine but a complex piece of engineering, combining mechanics, hydraulics and electronics. The development of excavators has undergone many stages, from the rudimentary machines of the past to the intelligent, modern machines of today. The first excavators appeared in the late 19th century, primarily used in the mining industry, powered by steam and low efficiency. The advent of the internal combustion engine brought about a major advancement, making excavators more powerful and versatile, with diesel-powered excavators gradually replacing steam-powered ones. The hydraulic system revolutionized excavator operations, allowing for precise and powerful maneuvers, and hydraulic excavators became standard in construction and mining industries. Currently, electronic and automation technologies have integrated into excavators, enhancing performance and safety. With GPS systems, sensors, and remote controls enabling more accurate and efficient operations. Technological advancements such as electronic control systems, GPS and positioning systems, sensor and warning systems, and fuel-saving technologies are being widely adopted. The future of excavators will see them becoming increasingly automated, with the ability to operate independently in some cases. The widespread adoption of electrification and renewable energy technologies to minimize environmental impact, and the integration of excavators with smart construction management systems to optimize project timelines and costs. The excavator is not only a labor tool but also an indispensable part of the modern economy. The development of excavators has been and continues to drive social progress, build monumental structures, and extract valuable resources. Excavator operations. Excavators are heavy construction equipment widely used in construction, mining, and agriculture. Here's some basic information about excavator operations. Main uses. Digging soil, rock, and minerals. This is the most common use of excavators. They are used for digging building foundations, digging canals and ditches, and mining minerals. Level and ground excavators help level rough terrain, creating a flat surface for construction projects. Loading and unloading materials. Excavators can be used to load and unload construction materials such as sand, gravel, and cement. Demolishing structures. Excavators can be equipped with attachments such as grapples and hydraulic breakers to demolish old structures. Lifting heavy objects. Some excavators can be equipped with lifting devices to move heavy objects. Operating principle. Excavators operate on a hydraulic system. The engine provides power to the hydraulic pumps, which pushes hydraulic oil to the hydraulic cylinders. The hydraulic cylinders act on the machine's components, such as the boom, pump, and bucket, causing them to move and perform operations. The operator controls the machine using levers, pedals, and a cam. Types of excavators. Crawler excavators. These machines can work on rough and muddy terrain. Wheeled excavators. These machines have a faster travel speed, making them suitable for jobs that require frequent movement. Loaders used to scoop up level. Soil and loose. Materials like sand, gravel, rock, coal. Carbonate were piled or into a container to move to another location. Precautions when using excavators. Operators must be properly trained and have an excavator operator's license. Safety regulations must be followed when operating excavators. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure the excavator operates properly and safely.
The process of loading the excavator onto a truck by having it climb up a ramp is an impressive display of human engineering and skill. This operation requires the excavator operator to possess advanced skills, coupled with a deep understanding of machinery and terrain. Before proceeding, a ramp is securely placed between the ground and the truck bed. The operator will carefully maneuver the heavy machine up the ramp, simultaneously adjusting the tracks to maintain balance. Once the excavator is on the truck, it will be fixed engine and high-performance hydraulic system, this loader effortlessly handles heavy equipment. In this video, you'll witness the Doosan DX215 digging and loading soil into a dump truck. Its speed